Today we talk about how can you deactivate your account on your Airbnb app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. So when you click here on profile here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down, then you click here on login and security here. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to next step here. So just switch into open video here. So it's going to take a time to open video here. So then all you have to do, when it's going to open video, you go down, you come here to deactivate your account. So you go down here, come here to deactivate your account. Just click here on deactivate here, then it's going to deactivate video on your Airbnb app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.